In this video, I'm going to show you the top 2 free apps to make money from your phone with, and they're not just going to make you money, they're going to save you money. And we're getting started right now. Hey, Thomas Garrett's here. Thanks for tuning in. Before we get into the content, I just want to let you know, if you're new here, what we do on this channel, it's everything affiliate marketing, make money online. And I like to do tips and tutorials just like this one to help you make money online and grow your online business. So if that's the kind of content you like, go down below, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, but make sure you hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Okay, now let's get into the value. So I'm just going to record my phone. I've never done this before, so hopefully it turns out all right. So there's 2 apps that I think are the best for making money online. One I haven't really used. The second one is one I use extensively. So I'm going to start with the first one and show you my favorite one second, so stay tuned for that. So the first one, like I said, I haven't used. I actually just found out about this, but there's 2 reasons why I like it. The first one is because you can buy stuff that you already are buying, you know, like going out to restaurants, stuff like that, and you can get cash back. So that's super awesome. But the main reason why I think this is such a great app to make money with isn't just the money you're saving when you're spending, but they have what's called an affiliate program. And if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, I'll link up above. I have a great video that explains it. But what it is you get a personalized link. And what that link does is if someone clicks on that link and does whatever they're supposed to do, like for example for this, if they put on their credit card, you get $5. So you're referring people to get money. So basically affiliate marketing is just referral marketing in a way. Okay, so that's really cool. And with this, I'll show you. So what you do is you go to refer, and then you have your referral code. So it's HTTPS, and then it's link.cash/ThomasG127. So for me, I just copy it to my clipboard, and then you can go to a couple different things. You can go to, I'll just do it on my phone since we're here. So for me, I use ClickMagick for my link tracking. I think it's way better. That's what it's for. But if you want a free option, you can go to bit.ly and then use bit.ly. So it's bit.ly.com. It used to be bit.ly, but it looks like they changed it now. So anyway, so it's bit.ly.com. If you just go to Google and type in bit.ly, you can do that. And then what it is you just put your link right here so we can paste it and then shorten it, and then you have it right there. And then if you're on your computer, it looks like I can't do it right now. Maybe if I signed in I could, but you can change, you see that 2xnnfpp, you can change that after the slash, but you got to be careful because if you choose something like Dosh, that's probably taken because it goes by everyone who uses bit.ly. So you'd have to do like maybe like your name Dosh or something like that. So anyways, just know that, but it makes it a lot better looking. I mean, the Dosh link actually doesn't look that bad, honestly, but I use for all my links ClickMagick, and that really helps because it just makes everything so much more simple. I'll have to do a video on that. If you like that idea, put it in the comments down below. But the second one, this is my favorite one out of all of them, out of the 2. But this app has saved me a decent amount of money. I use a couple like this. So with this one, I've saved $39. And how it works is you put your card on there. Your Apple Pay is what I use, but you can put a credit card on there. So yeah, so you can buy gift cards. So look at that, I got gift cards I forgot about. But so anyways, what you do is you go to explore, and then you can see right here, 7.6% off. So all it is it's just gift cards that you can buy and you get discounts. So like, for example, if you go to Starbucks every day, you could buy this $50 gift card and pay $46 for it. So that's super dope. And you can tell some have more percentage off and less percentage off. Like Uber obviously has less because a lot of people use it. But like Adidas, if you want a pair of Adidas, that's almost 12% off you could get for free. And you're spending the money already. And you can stack this on top of other coupons, right? Because this is a gift card. This isn't like a coupon. So you can really save a lot of money with this. And that's what I used to do. I used to coupon before I got into this whole online thing. I really enjoyed couponing, and I would get gift cards, I'd get coupons, and I would save so much money. It's insane. But that's a story for another time. But anyway, so you can see they have so much stuff on here, pretty much everything you could think of. And there's a few other apps like this, but this is my favorite because right when you buy it, you get pretty much instant delivery. So if you're like in line at a place, you can buy it. And by the time you go up to pay, you'll have your gift card delivered to you. So it's super cool. But again, that's not the main reason why this is such a cool app. Yeah, it's great. You can save money with it, but you got to spend money to do that. Now, if you go back here, like where it shows your savings and everything, you can hit refer a friend. Look, you give $5 and you get $5. So it's not just like gimme, 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 right? Like, oh, I get everything, you get nothing. No, that's not how it works. So if you refer a friend, like on Facebook or YouTube like this or anything, I'm not just being like, oh, this is a great app, you can save money, yada, yada, yada. No, if you use my link down below, not only do you get $5, I get $5 when you make your first purchase. So it's super powerful. And again, that's your link right there. But I'll have it as go.thomasgarretts.com/raise, right? Because I like my links looking legit, like with my name on it. I don't want it just to be all ugly. And again, this isn't super ugly or anything like that. I just like how the ClickMagick links look, and you get a lot more analytics and stuff like that. So anyways, that's the 2 apps you can make money with from your phone for free, and you can save money with. Now, that's not it, okay? Because I have one other thing I want to show you, and this is a program I just recently joined, and it's changing everything for me. And that program is Legendary Marketer. And whether you've heard good or bad things, this is like me telling you the honest truth. It's legitimately changing the way I think and how I run my business 100%. Okay, so a lot of people think of Legendary Marketer, they're like, oh, that's a scam. They just want you to promote their product. It's like, no, actually, in all of their training, they don't even talk about you promoting them as an affiliate. For one, they don't even approve every affiliate. You have to apply and you have to actually know what you're doing, and they don't want people scamming or in there spamming the links. Like, you have to be legitimate and about this life, like for real. And the best way to get into it, they have the $7 Business Builder Challenge. They just revamped the entire program. They made it so it's much easier to get involved and learn. They teach you how to actually do business. They teach the core 4 business models, and I'm not going to give away all the secrets in this video because I think it's so simple to just go spend $7. And they have an upsell for the $30 product, which is the Marketers Club, and I'll show you that. But this is a 15-day business builder challenge, and it just teaches you everything about mindset, how to run your business, high income skills, what you should outsource. It literally teaches you everything, and not once do they talk about promoting Legendary as an affiliate. So I'm so tired of those people talking like, oh, it's a scam, but then they'll have it in their description, but I'm promoting something that's way better. It's like, no. And a lot of the people that you listen to are either saying it's the best and promote it, or saying it's the worst and don't promote it and promote something else. And yeah, I get it, like I'm promoting it, but that doesn't mean that I think it's the best thing ever just because I'm promoting it. This isn't about money for me. Me and Dave, we have a lot in common. Like, he became addicted to drugs, had a tough childhood. I did the same thing, you know. I recently got clean 2.5 years ago, and I really don't talk about it a lot. But this has really, it teaches you everything. And you can tell that he truly cares. And it's not about making money, it's about helping people. Just for signing up for the $7 program, you get a free coach that will help you along the way. And they'll call you, keep you informed, keep you motivated, and help you along the way. There's no other business that does that for you. They'll charge you thousands of dollars to have a coach, and this is legitimate training, seriously. So they have the 15-day business builder challenge, which is amazing. That's really all you need. You don't need to grab the $30 upsell, but this is the Marketers Club. It's $30 a month, and they have interviews in here. For example, Kevin Harrington from the Shark Tank, Mark Harbert, he's amazing, Nathan Lucas, the Freedom Influencer. Then they have the Marketers Club live trainings, which they do, and then they have trainings every week as well on Monday, and then these are every month. And they have Nathan Lucas again, the journey to 250,000 subscribers on YouTube, and you can see right here 12 videos, 149 minutes. It's just insane the type of stuff they got here, and the value is just so insane. And this isn't even their top level products. They have some amazing coaches, some just amazing people who truly care about you and want you to succeed, and they teach you everything. I'm talking everything you need to know to run a profitable and successful online business. Okay, so I'm not going to keep yapping about this. I truly believe that this will change everything for you as it is for me. And if you want it, it's the first link in the description. That's my #1 recommendation to make money online. There's nothing I could recommend higher. And if you want to learn more about growing your online business, check out these videos right here. But make sure you hit my face right here to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you have any questions about anything on this video, about the apps, about Legendary, put it in the comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button. and I'll see you next week.